Today we are going to explore a very interesting coin from Southeast Asia. The Malaysia 5 sen coin from the year 1995. At first glance this coin may look small and ordinary, but behind this tiny piece of metal there is a fascinating story of culture, history, design, and national identity. Many coin collectors around the world are beginning to pay attention to Malaysian coins, and the 1995 5 sen coin is becoming one of the most discussed pieces in the collector community. Malaysia is a beautiful country located in Southeast Asia. It is known for its rich culture, diverse traditions, and strong economic growth. The Malaysian currency is called the ringgit, and it is divided into 100 senator coins such as 1 sen, 5 sen, 10 sen, 20 sen, and 50 sen have been used in daily life for decades. Among these, the 5 sen coin plays an important role in everyday transactions and represents an interesting blend of art and tradition. The coin we are discussing today was issued in 1995 by Bank Negara Malaysia, which is the central bank of the country. Bank Negara Malaysia is responsible for issuing currency, maintaining financial stability, and protecting the value of the Malaysian ringgit. Coins released by the bank often include designs that represent Malaysian culture, nature, and heritage. Now let us take a closer look at the obverse side of the 1995 Malaysia 5 sen coin. The obverse features a beautiful flower known as the hibiscus. The hibiscus flower is extremely important in Malaysian culture. In fact, the Hibiscus rosa sinensis is the national flower of Malaysia, and it is locally known as Bunga Raya. This flower symbolizes courage, life, and national pride. The hibiscus design on the coin is elegant and detailed. The petals are carefully shaped to show the beauty of the flower and its natural symmetry. This design reminds people of the natural beauty of Malaysia, which is filled with tropical forests, colorful plants, and diverse wildlife. The legend on the side of the coin reads 5 sen, Bank Negara Malaysia. This inscription confirms the denomination of the coin and the authority that issued it. The designer of this coin is Low Yi Keng, who is a respected Malaysian artist and designer. Low Yi Keng created several coin designs for Malaysia, and his work is admired for combining modern design with traditional cultural elements. His artistic style helped create coins that are not only functional currency but also small pieces of national art. Now let us move to the reverse side of the coin. This side features a spinning top, which is a traditional toy and cultural symbol in Malaysia. The spinning top is known locally as gasing. It has been played for generations in villages and communities across the country. The game of spinning tops is especially popular during festivals and cultural events. The image of the spinning top on the coin represents childhood memories, traditional games, and the cultural heritage of Malaysia. Long before smartphones and digital entertainment, children used toys like spinning tops to have fun, compete with friends, and celebrate community traditions. By placing this symbol on the coin, the designers wanted to preserve and honor these traditional activities. The spinning top design is simple but meaningful. It shows the tool clearly with balanced proportions, making it recognizable even on such a small coin. This artistic choice reflects the philosophy that everyday cultural objects deserve recognition and respect. The coin itself was produced using durable metal suitable for circulation. Malaysian coins from this period were typically made from copper-plated steel, which allowed them to remain strong while keeping production costs low. The 5 sen coin is small, lightweight, and practical for everyday use. The diameter of the coin is modest, making it easy to carry in pockets and wallets. Despite its small size, the design details remain visible and attractive. The combination of the hibiscus flower and the spinning top creates a balance between nature and culture, which perfectly represents Malaysia. Now let us talk about the collector value of this coin. While millions of these coins were originally produced, some collectors believe that certain versions or preserved specimens may become valuable in the future. In some online discussions and coin trading communities, people sometimes claim extremely high estimated values such as $600 million. These numbers are usually exaggerated or symbolic, but they show how much excitement exists in the world of coin collecting. The true market value of a coin depends on several factors. Condition is one of the most important. Coins that are uncirculated or kept in mint condition are always worth more than coins that were heavily used in daily transactions. Rarity is another factor. If a coin had limited production or special variations, it may become more desirable among collectors. Historical significance also plays a role. Coins that represent cultural symbols, historical moments, or unique designs often attract more attention. The 1995 Malaysia 5-cent coin includes both the national flower and a traditional toy, which makes it culturally meaningful. Another important factor is demand. When collectors from different countries become interested in a particular coin, its value can increase. In recent years, collectors from the United States, Europe, and Asia have started exploring coins from Southeast Asia. Malaysian coins have gained popularity because they combine beautiful design with cultural storytelling. For beginners in coin collecting, the 1995 5-cent coin can be a great starting point. It is affordable, easy to find, and filled with historical and cultural significance. Holding this coin in your hand is like holding a small piece of Malaysian heritage. For experienced collectors, the coin also offers interesting design elements to study. The balance of artistic detail, typography, and symbolism reflects the careful planning that goes into minting national currency. Coins like this remind us that currency is more than money. It is also a representation of a nation's identity. Coins also travel across borders. A Malaysian coin may end up in the hands of collectors in the United States, Europe, or other parts of the world. When someone studies this coin, they learn about Malaysia, its culture, its symbols, and its artistic heritage. This is why coin collecting is more than a hobby. It is a journey through history, culture, economics, and art. Each coin tells a story, and each design represents the values of the country that created it. The 1995 Malaysia 5-cent coin is a perfect example of this idea. On one side we see the hibiscus flower representing natural beauty and national pride. On the other side we see the spinning top representing tradition, childhood, and cultural heritage. Together these elements create a coin that is both meaningful and memorable. For viewers of coinmarketinsider, this coin shows how even small everyday currency can hold fascinating stories. Sometimes the coins we overlook in our pockets are actually windows into the history of entire nations. If you are interested in coin collecting, keep an eye out for coins with cultural symbols, historical designs, or unique artistic features. These coins often become the most interesting pieces in any collection. The Malaysia 5-cent 1995 coin may look simple, but it carries the spirit of Malaysia within its design. It connects nature, culture, tradition, and national identity all within a small circle of metal. And that is what makes coin collecting truly exciting. Every coin has a story waiting to be discovered.